One of the biggest misconceptions about industrial concrete coatings is that if they get damaged, you have to replace the whole floor. Industrial floors take a beating every day. Forklift traffic, drop tools, chemical exposure, heavy equipment, and constant cleaning can all wear down even high-performance flooring systems over time. But the good news is most concrete coatings are designed to be repairable. That doesn't mean every repair is simple, but small issues like scratches, minor chips, or worn traffic areas can often be fixed without removing the entire floor. The key is catching the damage early, because the longer damage sits, the more likely it spreads underneath the coating system. So what kinds of coating damage are actually easy to repair? The answer really depends on what caused the problem in the first place. Minor surface wear, isolated impact damage, scratches, and small chips are usually pretty straightforward. In many cases, those areas can be patched, recoated, or blended into the existing floor system. And if the surrounding coating is still performing well, repairs can often extend the life of the floor significantly. If coatings are peeling, bubbling, or delaminating, that usually points to a deeper issue underneath the surface. Things like moisture vapor, improper surface prep, substrate failure, or untreated cracks can create ongoing problems if the root cause isn't corrected first. And if you only patch the visible damage without fixing the actual issue, the failure usually comes back. That's also why different flooring systems repair differently. Epoxy floors are often easier to patch and blend for smaller repairs. Urethane cement systems are extremely durable, but repairs can sometimes be more noticeable because of the texture and aggregate. And polished concrete repairs are usually more focused on restoring consistency in appearance, sheen, and surface profile. One of the biggest mistakes facility owners make is waiting too long to address floor damage. A small chip or worn area may not seem urgent, but once the surface opens up, moisture, chemical, and heavy traffic can start affecting the coating underneath. And what could have been a simple repair can eventually turn into a much larger replacement project. If you're seeing damage on your facility floor, getting it evaluated early can save a lot of money later.